guys. So, as you can probably tell, this isn't how I planned for my adventure to go today. I'm stuck in the bottom of a great big void, and not only that, I have a bone sticking out of my leg. But guess what? Help is on its way. I'm gonna be okay. And I suppose the only thing I would say is that I'm not gonna be jumping or climbing in the near future again. Because it's obvious it's not very safe, and I didn't have a buddy like I always tell everyone else to have. And I should definitely have one. But anyway, I will be safe, and I want to thank each and every one of you. So, well, I'm gonna cut it off there, but remember, there's always hope.
At least it's warm down here. Maybe I can I can lay down here for a minute. Just rest my eyes for a little bit, you know.